would happen if all the oceans of the planet disappeared? The ocean is the main stabilizer of life on our planet. It is quite possible that it is the presence of large reserves of water on a particular cosmic body that makes it unusable. On Earth, the world ocean evenly distributes solar energy, thereby regulating and smoothing the climate on the planet. So what would happen if all the oceans of our planet suddenly disappeared? Can the oceans disappear? The bottomless and boundless oceans have always attracted adventurers, turning them into sailors, divers and surfers who cannot imagine their life without the sea. At the same time, it is known that due to global warming, the water surface of our planet is gradually heating up, forcing it to slowly but surely dry out. Scientists believe that without oceans, our planet risks turning into a huge hot desert, where rains will be a huge rarity. The fact is that the ocean performs several useful functions that harmonize the overall climate of the planet. Warm ocean currents heated in the equatorial zone warm the northern regions, preventing them from freezing. At the same time, the cold water of the North and South Poles returns to the equator, cooling and stabilizing it. In addition, it is the oceans that have a great influence on the formation of clouds and the presence of the water cycle on our planet. Their absence will entail a sharp reduction in rains, which will lead to the extinction of vegetation and a serious reduction in the biological diversity of the planet. Without oceans, the Earth can simply turn into a planet like Venus. The average daily temperature on the planet would be about 70 degrees Celsius, which would make the Earth's surface unsuitable for human habitation. Immediately after the disappearance of vegetation, which would lead to a sharp decrease in the amount of oxygen produced in the atmosphere, our planet would gradually turn into less habitable. In order to be able to survive in such conditions, a person would need to move under the surface of the Earth, which, you will agree, is not so convenient in itself. Subscribe to the channel and watch other interesting videos.